Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram try again later. To know how to fix Instagram try again later, you should just go to settings like this. After that, in this page, you will go to apps here, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram here. And when you will see this page like this, you will go down to click here force stop. When you will end, you will enter to storage, and here in this page you will click clear cache, and then you will click clear data, and you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.